Hello, welcome to on conflict to update set, which is a import method in PostgreSQL. And my name is Murian-Coush and Adam, and I will guide you today through this topic. And we are already in the Postgres connected. This is just some interface on a private server. So we can just, with our rights, we can use, create a table, for example, and anything else. So I will just create some kind of small table with data, and we can see how it work. And I have some code prepared, so we create some temp table. Let's call it differently, not platforms, but let's call it just a demo table. Oh, no. Let's call it just a demo table one. And the demo table one will now be inserted with some data, demo table one, and this is also good so you can see how it work and see the functionality of those kind of statement. And in this is kind of a P-SQL interface, so I can just press the enter button, and as long as I don't press this, the SQL statement is basically still in progress. So what I will do now is just add some kind of data here and as well country. So Cambodia, for example, is some nice country I've been lately. And then you press the semicolon, and you see kind of the Postgres answer what has been done, and the insert zero mean insert zero is the import ingested row. And zero one mean that zero doesn't have any meaning, it is kind of redundant. But the thing is, you should take a look, is the one, and the one mean there's one insert row, so it has been working correctly. And now if we select the star from our demo table, then we will see, okay, we have here some kind of data in our table. And the thing of this video is now to do the on conflict do update set. So we want to insert now again, but this time it will be more complex. So I will insert into demo table 1, and we use here persona ID, platform and country again, and then we will do some kind of specific thing here. We want to use the on conflict to update set to conflict the row, for example, the row of the persona ID 2, 1, and then based on this row, we want to update the other ones if there is anything changed. So we want to keep all of the rows that are persona ID 1, but if something else has changed in this row, we want to like account for that. So if I now press 1 and then new data, and then like another new data, another new country. Let's just say Myanmar. Then we want to do on conflict, and then in bracket persona ID, and to update set. You can also do it in the same row, but it's kind of here. kind of more clean. So on conflict, we want to say the platform is excluded dot platform. So this will be one. And then we want to also say the country is excluded dot country. So the country also change. And this will repeat, this will give us and this is an interesting error now because you see here that we did something wrong in terms of the unique key. And this has to do with at the top here. We set the primary key is the combination between the persona ID and the platform. So what we should have done in return is you should have used the on conflict on persona ID and the platform because we set this as the primary key. So if I will show you now how to do it correctly, I would just to alter the table, then add the constraint only on the persona ID, and then we can run our code again. So this would be insert into this one and should work now, right? And we can now take a look at the select star from the table. So we see new data in Myanmar. So it has been correctly changed to the persona ID. But if we want to change back to our primary key persona ID and platform, we would just do again like this. Already exist add constraint unique person to unique I think like this, and this constraint now is the one which we did be have before. So if we want to now change some data, we would need to, and if we want to override some data, we need to keep like the one and the new data because we see it here is this should be like the same. But if we want to now do new country, we can do it for sure. So Italia will be the country today, and on conflict we will have to add like the personality and platform, of course. And now we would like delete the platform from here, so only keep the country. So you will see this will work, and we cannot select from this table and see that Italia has changed based on these ones. And if we now to make you fully understand, we want to add some new value, which will be 2 and new data. So this will not conflict with anything because you see the conflict personality and platform not the same like any row in the table. So we will have 0, 1. And again, the 0 in the beginning, you can just disregard that. Is not important. So you will see there's a new row. Yeah. And this is kind of the functionality of on-conflict do update set in Postgres, and I hope it's like making you understand this kind of difficult topic and grasp you further digest the issue. And this has been everything today, and I'm very happy to have helped. And please leave me some more comments, anything you have to say about this kind of SQL topic can be difficult, can be very complex, and you know how it is. And but yeah, the future is basically always some kind of database, so you should be familiar with those kind of thing. And Postgres is like it does work also in other database. It maybe have different name. You can Google on conflict to update set in different would be some kind of other notation, but the functionality to explain and to understand is like here in this video pretty well made. So thank you very much, and yeah, bye.